Let's say you want, let's do basic things in Python. Like if you want to print something, this is what you use. You can print hello dudes. That works out fine. Let's run that. Okay, that's how you do a print. Okay, okay. So let's get into something else. This okay. You see, it prints out hello dudes, hello dudes, hello dudes. Let's get into something else. If you want to create a variable, let's say age equals to 25, and you want to print out the age, just repeat the same function, and then just pass in age. Voila! Python syntax is super simple. Run that again. 25. Okay. Commenting out stuff in Python, just use this hash, and that becomes a comment. Let's get into something else. Like let's do what we were doing for this particular tutorial. Let's do create a Python program to calculate days lived on the fucking planet on Earth. Damn. Okay, let's create this. So we're going to need some few things like the year this guy was born. So it's the year equals to, and you can ask for users input through this function, and just say what year were you born, bruh? Okay, simple enough. Then current year is gonna be 2021, depending on whichever time you'll be viewing this tutorial. But for now, 2021. Okay. Then now let's create the logic. The logic is going to be the current year minus the year this guy was born, which gives you the input in years times 365. So let's first do some years. Equals to current year minus the year. But here's an error which we'll see in a moment. This will give you an error because whichever input you get back from here is going to be in a different kind of like data type, so it won't work. It will give you a terrible error. There it is. Unsupported operand type S for int and string. That's because whatever you get in here, you get as a string, which you can't really do in a calculation. You can't minus a number, minus a string, a character. That won't work. So let's fix this. You gotta fix this. So what we do is we convert this back from being a string into an integer. And to do this, we just pass this in here. And voila, we good. But now we got the years. We would like the days. So what the days is, days on Earth variable, days on Earth is what am I doing? Days on Earth is sum of years. I should really find better ways of naming my variables. Times 365. Simple. And we're done. You can print this out. So print days on Earth. And let's see what we get. Okay, this one there. What year are you born? Let's give it 1990. Okay. 1998. Okay, let's do 1998. Okay, see, 3895. But how about if we wanted it as a like a really nice statement that the user gets after all this? So we can make this fancy by adding some of our stuff. So you have been on Earth for you old you old fossil. Windows Billy. And we could laugh at this guy. I mean, he's terribly old. Okay. Yep. That's it. Let's run this. What year were you born? Let's give it a 1997, the golden years. Okay, we have an error. Damn. You can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So it means we do have some. Oh, yeah. Let's combat this. Same method as before. Still gonna work. Awesome. That's the beauty of programming. Whatever the hell you do, you can still fix it in some other way. If Stack Overflow still does it. 19. Why do I keep? Let's do 1996. 1996. You have been on Earth for 9,125. 25 what? Forgot to add days. Damn. Days. You old fossil. That works. Let's run this again. What year are you born? Let's give him 1995. You have been on Earth for 9,490 days, you old fossil. Okay, that has been Python in 5 minutes.